Oh, I have just got back from the gym. It's, well, I don't even know what it is, Tuesday. I did a late night session. I don't know who these people are that are doing this like 5 AM training. You know, all over social media, everyone's like, wake up at 5 AM, go for a morning walk. I literally don't know who these people are. I consider myself a morning person. I like being up relatively early. But 5 AM and training at 5 AM, are you actually mad? That is not for me. Enough of that gym chat. I've done a mini food shop because we've got 2 more days here before we move. So I've just grabbed some like quick bits that I can do Wednesday and Thursday. And then today I think Sam's granddad come round and dropped off some more boxes and some bubble wrap finally. So I'm gonna actually start tonight, it's about 9:15, packing up some glass things and some china and just leave the bare minimum here so we can take that over with us. I don't know how long this vlog's gonna be. I've been trying to, like in my head, I wanted to keep my moving vlogs like 15 minutes max, but I don't think they will be. But I'll get cracking with that and then I'll finish up today and then catch you up the rest of the week as well. Officially the day before we move. We still haven't packed everything. It's absolute carnage in the house. I've got Sam out there packing, so I've done nearly all of the packing so far. Sam like sorts all of like the house stuff and all the emails, but he's out there packing. Dad's coming down tomorrow to help me actually move, and I think we complete about 10 o'clock, so I'm so excited. Sam headed down there today because he had a little tour of the house. Because it's brand new, so he had a little tour on how to use everything, how to use the heating system. I think I've got pasta in my hair. Yes, I do. So he's already been in, which I'm mega jealous about, but I get to go tomorrow. I cannot wait. something's easier to get